Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to do is share with you some insight on what we do in the Swing Charts membership plan. Now, this video that you're going to see right now is a quick little clip, meaning it's cut, and you'll see a couple of little sections of it from the actual members section. So in the members section, you'll get the full video. In this video, you'll go ahead and see a little cut or trimmed version of it. So if you're interested in joining us to see what we do in the members section of the Swing Charts membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. So you can see it's tradersfly.com, and you'll be taken to a site like this. By the way, go ahead and check out some of the freebies we have there. You can download a bunch of freebies absolutely free by going to this area. But if you want to see the members section, go ahead and click this members area right there. And then you can go here and you can check out the Swing Charts, and that'll take you to a page similar to this. Now, just for you guys right now, because we have kind of this deal promotion going on, I want to go ahead and share the love. So you can go ahead and click the Get It Now button here on the monthly plan. And what you can do is go ahead and when you go to the coupon, share the love, all lowercase, apply the coupon, and what it'll do is give you half off the first month for signing up. So again, remember, coupon codes expire from time to time. It's not going to last forever. So as you're watching this video, maybe it already expired. But in the meantime, we try to keep this coupon code active as you're watching the video. So keep that in mind. If you have any trouble or issues, feel free to reach out to us or our team. Anyways, I'd love to see you in the membership section. We really focus in on charts, technical analysis, and you'll get a sample of that here as we go into this video. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. All right, let's check out Coke. A lot of people love their Coca Cola. All right, so here at Coca Cola, as we check this out, I personally don't like soda too much, but a lot of people do. So here is our resistance. Here's our support. Here's also our support. The one key problem I do see is there's a little bit of bearish volume right there that was coming in, but stock is holding the support level here, which is a good sign. But if we break below it, that could be a problem. So here is our previous resistance, and there's our resistance. So you can see we had this sideways consolidation pattern. I'm neutral on this stock just because we're getting some sideways action. The volume's not there. We are slightly grinding up volume, but not anything amazing or exciting. So I'm a little concerned with this big downward movement. That could be a little bit of could be an issue and problem. So be a little more careful here, because this stock, it may be trying to break down, and that could be a little bit of an issue. For now, it's holding, and that's a good sign. But if it does attempt to keep breaking and keep hitting lower and lower, tries to knock on that support, that could be a big issue to watch out for. All right, Docu. This is another one that's also fairly new. So you could see here is our support. Here is also our support and resistance, where now, here, I'll do it over here, stock continues to do higher. So here was an earlier breakout point. So now again, we've got this next level breakout point. So it looks good. Bullish volume looks okay, and here we kind of had this sideways consolidation pattern for a bit. Now we'll continue to move higher. So this stock's kind of making a stair-step pattern. I'd say I'm bullish on the stock. The volume's there. Yes, there is a little bit of, you could say, bearish volume that was here, but this bearish volume is minimal relative to how the stock's been performing. And just, you have the wide price spread, you have volume overall. I wonder if this was just profit taking or a little bit of panic during those down days. And these stocks usually go first, and that's why I think that could be a surge in the selling pressure here. Other than that, as you could see, as we've been moving higher, there has been accumulation of volume. So that's a good and healthy sign. So that's why I'm more bullish on this stock. GoDaddy here. GoDaddy, I don't really care too much for the company. I think the stock's doing quite well though. So the stock, basically a lot of their stuff now is very bloated. Didn't used to be that way. It used to be very good, very efficient. Now a lot of the stuff that GoDaddy does is just not as good from my perspective. But Nevertheless, I'd say I'm bullish on the stock, and especially more bullish if we can go ahead and get above this level. Wait until you get above the $80 price level on volume and wide price spread. That would be a good kind of sign. You do have a little more resistance here over top, other points to kind of watch out for. I think it's minimal. You've had your sideways consolidation pattern here as well, so you can see how we've kind of just been moving sideways for a little bit of time, with the exception of this outlier confluence zone. That was a little bit of an issue, but most of the time you've been kind of moving sideways, so the stock's just been drifting. But if it had this digestion in 2019 and 2020, it could go ahead and ramp up for things if we can get above a certain point, showcases those earnings, maybe more flood from other investors. That could be a positive sign, but we'll see as it gets into this $80 level. Right now, it's been rejecting those for a couple of years. All right, NVIDIA. All right, this one also fairly bullish on it, continues to do well. Could this also be an ABCD pattern like an Apple? It's possible. Let me see if I can zoom in on it for you. So you can see this stock's been, here, let's do it like this. Here was kind of our past resistance. Here was the resistance here. Stock's holding at this support level. Here was a support. Here was our resistance. Here is a possible, just to show you, big A, possible B, possible C, and a possible D pattern. So when you look at this, you could see that it could be setting up for next leg. This is a potential flag pattern here, which is usually a good sign, and that could propel the stock a little higher. And you can see you've got bullish volume there coming in. So positive on the stock. It looks good, looks healthy. I would just be a little bit more concerned. Hey, are we overall market top heavy? And if we are, that could be a reason for a pullback, even though you've got a little bit of this flag pattern that usually is a continuation pattern for prices to go a little higher. So if you're looking at ABCD patterns, because here's your C point, B point would be right here, and here's your kind of A point. So you can see that, hey, this is setting up an ABCD pattern, but are we a little toppy? That's the question. Okay, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching and joining me in this little clip video. Remember, this was just a shortened clip and version of what we do in the members section. If you want to join us, go ahead and go to the website at tradersfly.com. That way you get insight on, hey, some of the freebies, the get started pages, and join us on the membership section by clicking the members area here. That'll forward you to our members website, and you can go ahead and sign up for the swing charts if it's something that you're interested in. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us. Remember, hit the subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel, or of course, join the mailing list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, products, courses, or even live events sometimes on YouTube. All right, thanks again, and I will see you next time.